Welcome back to your next clip. In clip, this time, I will show you the function, automatic comment on TikTok, with a software called TikTok on my side. Then this software, I'll help you by just filling in the keywords of the video. That's it. And enter the content here. We just need to put one line each. I'll give you an example of 1 to 10, that, when we're done selecting the content, we're just going to save it and press X. Select the account we want to comment on. It is very simple to load it out. Here I choose 10 accounts running 10 streams. If you press start, the software will automatically. It goes into the video. Let's make that comment. During the video, it will automatically log in this comment. Let Tim do those things. In addition, the software, it will have additional functions such as setting this video. This live stream setting is push this video update, post a video of this card, and update the comment. There's a lot of different functions. You want to experience the software? Please inbox me now. Hi. See you later. In the next clip. Thank you.